Hey guys, in today's video we are talking about tips for teaching online courses. Due to coronavirus, a lot of institutions are shifting towards online courses. It is a great initiative, however, it does mean that teachers have to work a lot more. It is quite obvious that online classes are a lot more different from traditional classes. Students have much more freedom in these classes, and the probability of them being distracted or doing something else along with your class is very, very high. Hence, you have to change the way you give your lectures. First thing is you have to make your lecture more interactive and engaging. Second thing is your lecture must be more interesting. Maybe add a story or joke or mind maps. Just add anything that you feel like students might like. Experiment and be creative. Third thing is record audio or video. There are two things that you will gain from this. First is you will be helping those students who have internet issues. Second is you will be helping those students who will be distracted. And I guarantee you, no matter what you do, there will be a lot of students who will be distracted in online classes. Hence, you will have something for them to fall back on. Last thing is to take feedback from those whom you are teaching. It is quite obvious that no one can tell you better than them how they want to be taught. And that's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.